Health insurance can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to. Today I'm joined by Conette Bradley, the owner of NC Insurance Advisors, and she's here to help you find the right coverage for your needs. I'm here with Conette Bradley. She's the owner of NC Insurance Advisors. Conette, when someone's trying to figure out which health insurance plan is right for them, it can get real confusing really fast. So what are some reasons that people come to you for help?
Because it is confusing. Whether you're under 65 or on Medicare, it is very confusing. And government websites are not as easy to use as you would think. But they come to us because we know what we're doing, they get the information, we help them with their choices, we simplify it and follow up. We're here all year so they can come back and ask questions or come in if they have claims issues. So we're here for our customers.
When someone's shopping for a health plan, what are some questions that they should be asking?
Actually, we have to ask the questions mostly because we have to know what your projected income is for the year that you want coverage, how many people are on your tax return, and all of those things determine what plans are offered to you and whether or not you qualify for a subsidy from the government, also known as an advanced premium tax credit. Now, those have been very beneficial for many people who now have zero premiums and extremely low copays and out-of-pocket maxes. However, people who don't qualify for the subsidy because of what they earn, the benefits are not good. Maximum out-of-pocket over $19,000 for a family. It's unaffordable. And we have a different demographic now going without coverage. And since North Carolina expanded adult Medicaid, which is ages 18 to 64, December 1st of 2023, now we have lots of people who are getting subsidies being sent to Medicaid. And if you think about it, Christina, it's economics. And if Medicaid reimburses this much and Medicare reimburses this much, and commercial insurance reimburses this much, who are you going to see? You have to pay your staff at the medical office. So there are a lot of things that are not right. People don't have the choices they used to have. And oftentimes people end up earning more than they thought they would, or they have to take money out of their 401k because they need a new roof, or they have other medical expenses. And then they have to pay all the subsidy back. And they find out the next year when they file that tax return. And it has been devastating to many. And I do have clients who can afford to pay $2,000 a month or $2,500 a month for a couple, but they refuse to do it for the benefits that come with that price. Also, health savings accounts. They're great because you have skin in the game to pay for your little things and tax advantages. Some counties you can't buy an HSA because they're not sold on the exchange or where you are dealing with the government in the middle of your health care. Therefore, you have to pay full price if you want an HSA. So choices are very limited. Benefits are all over the place, and so are the premiums, from zero to $3,000 a month, a mortgage, and people are just upset with losing choices. Now, they do have to ask us about, is there a doctor in the network? They have to ask that question. But oftentimes, there's only one network in their county. And, so people are having to take different doctors that they aren't used to. And with the Medicaid expansion, so many people lost their subsidies and got put on Medicaid. And they can't find a physician. They can't get an appointment for 8 months. I think there's one eye doctor for Medicaid in Wilmington. Another friend of mine on Medicaid was given a dermatologist in Clinton, and the appointment was like 8 months out. So things are not as smooth as some would like to think.
Do you also help people on Medicare and those just turning 65?
Absolutely. We have a lot of people who move here because of their grandchildren, and we help them change their Medicare plan. And of course, during the annual enrollment, when they can sign up or make changes on their plans, that's October 15th through December the 7th. We do a lot of assistance during that time because so many plans change for the new year. But yes, we help a lot of people turning 65 and those already on Medicare.
Conette, thank you for sharing your expertise with us today. Thank you for joining us as well. If you're looking for help in navigating your health insurance options, NC Insurance Advisors is here to help you. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.